Are you ready to say goodbye to traditional video making limitations? Tired of high costs and wasted time? Today, we're unveiling Google's secret that will change everything. And by the end of this short video, I'll tell you something about the future of video that 90% of people don't know. Now let's dive into the core of what makes Veo a game changer. Looking at the interface, you'll see three key pillars that define its power. First, redesigned for greater realism. This isn't just about good visuals. Veo delivers stunning 4K output with realistic physics and authentic audio, making your generated videos almost indistinguishable from real footage. Second, follows prompts like never before. This is crucial. Veo understands your instructions with incredible precision. It means less guesswork and more accurate responses to your creative vision. What you type is truly what you get. And finally, improved creative control. This empowers you with new capabilities to achieve unparalleled levels of control, consistency, and creativity in your video projects. You're not just generating, you're directing with precision. Now listen to this, a prime example of Veo's output.
And she commands your awe with every breaking light. This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light. This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed.
No, incredible, right? What you just saw, visuals and audio combined, was generated entirely by Veo, transforming simple ideas into stunning 4K reality. And the impressive capabilities don't stop there. Take a look at this next example. Another stunning creation from Veo.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
Truly captivating. This demonstrates Veo's exceptional ability to craft intricate scenes, complete with rich textures and dynamic compositions, all generated effortlessly from a simple concept. It's clear that Veo is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in video creation. Ready for more? Let's kick things off with this thrilling race sequence, a powerful example of Veo's dynamic capabilities. Now that you've witnessed the astonishing output, let's pull back the curtain and show you how content creators are bringing these visions to life. From this main Veo page, the gateway to its power is right here. We'll simply click and step into the very interface where these incredible videos are made. This is where the magic truly begins. Visual. You've transitioned to the Flow TV ZooBreak interface with the search bar at the top and the Create with Flow button. Welcome to the Creative Hub. This is where your ideas come to life. To generate a video, it's incredibly simple. You just need to tell Veo what you envision. See this search bar at the very top? This is your canvas. You'll enter your detailed prompt here. Describe the scene, the action, the style, anything you want to see. Once your creative vision is typed out, you'll simply click the Create with Flow button on the right. Veo will then take your words and magically transform them into a stunning video, complete with visuals and audio, just like the examples you've seen. While we wait for the full public release of Veo, what we've shown you today is undeniable. Google's Veo is not just an evolution. It's a revolution in video creation. The days of complex, expensive video production are quickly becoming a thing of the past. This technology empowers anyone to bring their wildest visions to life with unprecedented ease and stunning quality. It truly is the future of storytelling. If you're as excited about Veo as we are, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into cutting-edge AI, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next updates. We'll be bringing you more insights into Veo as soon as it's widely available. Thank you for watching, and see you in the future of video.